Last week, the mayor announced a partnership with UW-Madison to offer COVID-19 testing to the residents of the city of Seattle. That is going very well. The sites are really busy. There are two sites, one in Aurora and one in Soto at former auto emission testing sites. And the UW-Madison Virology Lab is doing all the testing for those samples that are collected. Just like when you go to your doctor's office, when we perform this test, we bill your insurance. However, if you don't have any insurance, the program is set up so you can still access the test. And we are accessing federal and state funds to cover the cost, so there's no cost to the individual. We recommend, if you've been in any large gatherings, like the protests or any other, that you monitor yourself very closely for symptoms. If you don't have symptoms, we still recommend you do not get tested. But if you do have symptoms or you've been around or exposed to anyone that you know has COVID-19, please come in and get tested right away. We don't know enough yet about COVID-19 to know if having had the disease makes you truly immune, and if so, for how long. So if you have the antibody test and it's positive, you still need to follow all the same precautions, which is great hand hygiene, continuing to wear a mask, and remaining socially distant from others in public. So all the things that we've been practicing have been the reason that we've been able to flatten the curve in Seattle and in the state of Washington. So it's important we continue them, and that includes great hand hygiene, staying socially distant, and wearing a mask whenever you're leaving home. Here in the hospitals, we remain prepared in case there is a future surge. Well, we have two mobile vans that are going to communities that have much higher rates of COVID-19, specifically Black, Latin, Pacific Islander, and limited English proficiency communities. We also have a second van focused on homeless population. So there's no cost to the individual to get tested in our mobile vans. These vans are funded by generous donation from the Paul Allen Foundation and philanthropic funds from the COVID-19 Emergency Fund. These vans are located at several locations throughout Seattle and South King County.